Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. I will be bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So let's begin and unbox the jobs pertaining to this week. Our first vacancy is from Software Technology Parks of India, which is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The recruitment is for the post of Assistant A2. The educational qualification asked is graduation in commerce. Friends, there are 3 number of vacancies. The upper age limit is 32 years. It's a permanent post and there is no experience required for applying to this post. The package would be around 5.3 lakhs. You have to apply first online, take a printout and send it to STPI by 5th October 2020. Next vacancy is again from Software Technology Parks of India for the recruitment of Assistant A3. The educational qualification asked here is graduation or post-graduation in commerce. The number of vacancies is 3. The upper age limit is 34 years. It's a permanent post, friends. But for graduates, the experience asked is 2 years, while for postgraduates, the experience would be 1 year only. The package would be around 6 lakhs. Again, the same mode of application and last date to apply for this post. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their post. Next vacancy again from Software Technology Parks of India for the recruitment of Assistant A4. The educational qualification is graduation or post-graduation in commerce. There are 2 vacancies. Upper age limit is 36 years. It's a permanent post, friends. The experience for a graduate people would be 4 years, while for postgraduates it would be 2 years. The package would be 7 lakhs. Again, the same mode of application and last date as were in the previous 2 ads. Fourth vacancy is from HIL India Limited, which is a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The name of the post is Finance Manager. You have to be a CA or a Cost and Management Accountant to apply for this post. Friends, it's a contractual post having upper age limit of 45 years and you have to have 2 years of experience in immediate lower grade at PSU. The package would be between 29,100 to 54,500 basic. It's an offline mode of application and you have to send documents to HIL India Limited latest by 12 September 2020. The next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, which is under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The recruitment is for the post of Chief Finance Officer. Educational qualification is a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant. Friends, it's a deputation post for those who are already serving in that analogous post or having 5 years regular service in level 12 or 8 years in level 11. Friends, the package would be around 24 lakhs. It's an offline mode of application and the documents have to send by 10 September 2020. The next vacancy is from Bokaro Power Supply Company Private Limited, which is a joint venture between Steel Authority of India Limited and Damodar Valley Corporation. Friends, it's a post for company secretary. The upper age limit is 40 years. It's a permanent post and you have to have 8 years of experience in the relevant field. The package would be 19 lakhs. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 14 September 2020. Next vacancy is from Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission for the post of Administrative cum Accounts Officer. And you have to have a graduation degree for applying to this post. It's a contractual post, friends, for those who are already holding analogous post or having 5 years experience in grade pay of 5400, 6 years experience in 4800 grade pay, 7 years experience in 4600 grade pay or 8 years experience in grade pay of 4200 rupees. Friends, the package would be around 13.7 lakhs and you have to apply offline latest by 10 September 2020. Friends, a gentle reminder for those who have applied for SEBI Grade A exam and are looking for quality content to practice the technical syllabus, please visit our website financemcq.in, where we are presenting more than 2000 subject-wise, topic-wise questions to practice. Apart from these, we are adding explanation wherever required and we are also bringing 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. So please do visit financemcq.in, take a demo and decide. Moving on, next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center, Bengaluru. The recruitment is for the post of Assistant Manager, Admin and Accounts. The qualification asked is a commerce graduate or any other graduate with a MBA, CA, CWA or degree in law And then the vacancies is one vacancy. The upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, it's a contractual post and you have to have experience of 6 years in the relevant field. The package would be around 11.5 lakhs gross. You have to apply offline to be done by 20th September 2020. Friends, again from the same organization, for the recruitment of the post accounts officer, they have asked a commerce graduate with an upper age limit of 32 years. Again a contractual post, and you should have 3 years of experience to apply for this post. And the package would be around 7 lakhs. Again the same mode of application and last date as given in the previous ad. Friends, the vacancy number 10 is for recruitment of stores officer from the same organization. The educational qualification is a commerce graduate. The upper age limit is 32 years. Again a contractual post with the same level of experience in the relevant field. The package would be 7 lakhs. And you have to apply offline by 20th September 2020. Friends, the last vacancy is from IIM Shillong for the recruitment of audit officer. The educational qualification asked is a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant. The upper age limit is 45 years. Hence, it's a contractual post and you have to have 7 years of experience in government, PSUs or autonomous bodies. The package would be around 13.7 lakhs. And you have to apply online from IIM Shillong website by 1st September 2020. So that's all friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you all next week with all the latest updates for that week. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.